if you have late payments on your credit report, I'm going to show you what's been holding you back from being able to remove them. So most people simply don't understand credit at all, but when it comes to late payments, it's a whew. So when you're looking at late payments, the first thing you need to determine is it an open account or is it a closed account? Because we're going to tackle both of these different accounts completely different. So number one, if it's a closed account, the best thing for you to do most of the times is just going to be cleaning the entire account off of your credit report. Ways that you can do this is factually disputing the account or using consumer laws and going even deeper to remove the account. And if neither of those work, you can actually sue whoever it is that's reporting this negative account on your credit report to get it completely removed. Second thing that you can do, if it is an open account, we're gonna tackle this completely different. There's about 4 to 5 different things that I would do to dispute this late payment. It's a lot for me to cover in this one video, but I have made a video on my page where it's almost like a rant of all of the different steps that I would take when removing a late payment on an open account. Just to summarize that video, the first thing that I would do is I would submit a Goodwill letter, trying to see if I can get that company to remove that late payment. But the Goodwill letter only works if you only have 1 or 2 late payments. If you have a bunch of late payments, it's better that you just don't waste your time. The second thing that you can do is you can do a billing error dispute, because in the consumer laws, it states that there should never be a late payment reported on your credit report. So when you see this late payment, you can actually send a letter to the company letting them know that you're aware of this law and the late payment is actually being inaccurately reporting on your credit report because the law states it's not supposed to be there. This is another way of putting them on notice that, hey, look, there's this late payment on my credit report and I understand like it's not supposed to be being reported on my credit report. That's the first way you can put them on notice, okay? Now, if you want to learn more ways to get rid of late payments and be around a community of tons of people who've been able to remove them, make sure you click the link in the description of this video and you go and you check out our Let's Talk Business with the Bennett School community, where you're not only going to learn how to start fixing up your credit, removing those negative items like late payments, collections, charge-offs, we got it all inside of this program. But you're also going to learn how to start getting access to business credit so that you can fund those business ideas that you have. You're also going to learn, if you choose to, how to start a 6-figure credit repair company and scale it with systems, funnels, and automation, and have a whole lot of fun while doing it. So I'll see you guys inside of the community or in the next video. See you at the top and not from the top.